This is not just a beer, this is Malayali beer all the way from Poland. Palakkad natives Chandramohan Nallur and Sarjeev Sukumaran had the idea of creating a beer when they faced a very unique problem. So due to the line of work, they were stranded with 5 big containers of rice flakes and they didn't know what to do with it. That's when they read about Kumbhan, which is a beer crafted by Kochi native Vivek Pillai in the UK. So using this as inspiration, they partnered with breweries across Poland and crafted a beer by blending Indian rice flakes with European hops. And they named it Malayali, honoring their roots. Now they have 3 variations: Malayali Premium, Malayali Power and Malayali Non-Alcoholic. Malayali beer was started in July 2023 and now they're available in 116 stores across 7 countries. They're also planning to expand in India soon, so stay tuned. Meanwhile, share this reel with your NRI friends and family so that they can enjoy this beer.